You could be doing everything right, working hard, showing up every day, grinding, and still be broke. Not because of your income, not because of the economy, because of what you believe about money. Most people have no idea that the thoughts running through their head are the exact reason they'll never build wealth. And today, I'm going to show you the 5 money beliefs that are keeping you poor. I'm Cody, and on this channel, we break down the real psychology behind money. If this helps you, hit subscribe and drop a like. Let's get into it. Belief number 1, I don't make enough money to invest. This is the most common excuse on the planet. And I get it. When you're barely covering rent, the idea of investing feels like a joke. But here's what nobody tells you. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. You need 5. Literally $5. Apps like Acorns, Robinhood, and Fidelity let you start investing with pocket change. $5 a week into an index fund. That's a coffee. If a 25-year-old invests just $50 a month at a 10% average return, by age 65, they'd have over $260,000. $50 a month. That's it. The belief that you need money to make money is the biggest lie keeping broke people broke. Belief number 2, rich people are just lucky. Or greedy, or they get handed everything. Look, I understand where this comes from. Social media shows you 22-year-olds in Lamborghinis, and it feels unfair. But here's what the data actually says. 79% of millionaires did not receive any inheritance, and 8 out of 10 millionaires are first-generation rich. These are teachers, plumbers, nurses, regular people who consistently saved for 20 to 30 years. The formula is boring. Save consistently, invest early, don't touch it, let compound interest do the work. But if you believe that wealth only comes from luck or exploitation, you'll never even try. And that belief costs you everything. Belief number 3. I'll start saving and investing when I make more money. This one kills me because it sounds so logical. I'll start when I get that raise. I'll invest after I pay off my car. Next year for sure. But next year never comes because when you make more, you spend more. If you start investing $200 a month at age 25, by 55, you'd have roughly $450,000. Wait until 35, about $150,000. Same monthly amount. 10 years of waiting just cost you $300,000. Time is literally your most valuable asset. And every year you say later, you're burning money you can't get back. Belief number 4. Everyone has debt. It's just how life works. Car loan, student loans, credit cards. We've been so programmed to think debt is normal that most people don't even question it anymore. The average credit card rate right now is about 24%. That means if you carry a $5,000 balance, you're paying $1,200 a year just in interest. Not paying it down, just interest. The average American will pay over $130,000 in interest payments over their lifetime. That could have been your retirement fund, your kids' college, your freedom. Debt isn't normal. Debt is a trap designed to feel normal. And the sooner you reject that belief, the sooner you start building real wealth. Belief number 5. I'm young. I have plenty of time. This is the one that hurts the most because it feels true when you're 20 or 25. Retirement is decades away. Why would you stress about it now? Because the single biggest advantage you will ever have in building wealth is time. And once it's gone, You cannot buy it back. No salary, no inheritance, no side hustle can replace 10 lost years of compound growth. If you invest $100 a month starting at age 20, by 60, you'd have roughly $630,000. Start at 30, about $226,000. Same $100 a month. Starting 10 years earlier gave you $400,000 more. Now let me add all 5 of these together. Delayed investing, unnecessary debt interest, missed compound growth, avoided salary negotiations, lifestyle inflation. When you combine the cost of these 5 beliefs over a lifetime, we're talking about over $1 million in lost wealth. Not because you didn't work hard enough, because of 5 lies you told yourself. That's the real tax. So what do you do about it? Step 1, write down your money beliefs, all of them, the ugly ones. Get them on paper, because once you see them written down, they lose their power. Step 2, replace each belief with the truth. I don't make enough becomes, I can start with $5. Rich people are lucky becomes, wealth is built through consistency. I'll start later becomes, every day I wait costs me money. Step 3, take one action today. Not tomorrow, not Monday, today. Open a brokerage account. Set up a $25 automatic transfer. Check your credit score. What matters is that you prove to yourself that you're not stuck. Your income doesn't determine your wealth. Your beliefs do. Change the belief, change the behavior, change the outcome. If this video opened your eyes even a little, subscribe, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and I'll see you in the next one.